I'm going to do a box plat, and I'm going to use Shrikant Ghana green with ombre colors, and I'm going to braid my daughters here. Yes. So, follow me. I already part the first row, and I'm going to get started. So as you can see, we are almost there, 3/4 way, and we have one more row at the top, and to plait with the ends and trim up and add water. Yeah.
And because I know you, I tell you, you look neat. You liking your hairstyle, Tia?
I hope she have a part 10 grand.
10 grand, right. It's easy money for her, you know. Her account is big, you know.
Hello, on the top ram.
I know me around, can't pick me around. Honey. So.
Oh.
Right, that's oh yeah, so yeah, auntie, W per tongue, yeah, Jesus. Look at that style of frog. So people, this is a top of top hairstylist in Jamaica. Get happy. We almost finished.
We are.
This is called a box braid, people.
You learned something new today?
Why is it called a box braid on?
Box bread.
This is bread and the parting is box.
Oh, you see that, people? The part in his box. Yeah, yeah, so hungry, hungry.
Oh.
No, no. Don't touch nothing. This is a lot. So what length is this, guys?
Just a length.
Bottom backward.
What name? It's long though. So tell you it ever hurt you then.
No?
Jay, listen to me. Don't trouble them. Box breeder happen.
Maybe I saw to tell you off camera.
But you know a joke too? But you laugh for them. Jay, why you laugh? I'll Jay laugh too.
It's what?
Jay? Jay?
Mr. Dre is here just stressing man out.
Yeah.
Come, go to watch money.
You never go bounce up on nobody, you know.
I'm not gonna wear focus up on nobody.
You're not gonna wear those for you go.
Hey, hey!
Hello, welcome back over here,
Your
boy.
father wicked. Your father wicked. Why you feel under that? Eh?
Dre. Dude. Hello, wanna trouble you
What
not
do I
dude?
do? Make them try me shape that look like mine.
staying in the room.
You want to come and help me, the sister here? Watching.
Come bro, we are walk.
Dre boss. Dre boss.
Bro, get up, bro. Get up. Daddy? You said daddy a while ago, guys. You hear that? I said daddy.
You never said daddy.
He said daddy.
You're not like that.
Dre, mommy.
Watch it.
Mommy.
Hello, Jay. Get up from this. Why don't you tell about this, bro? Bro.
You're not supposed to call him boy.
Bro. Come, bro. Stand up, bro.
You can't say that.
Alright, people. Jesus Christ. Yo, child. Chill. Come here.
I'm going to night corner.
Me no know I'm going to Come.
Hey, bro. Hey. Yes. You're too coward.
Got that on camera.
It's finished.
This boy is getting bigger and all over the place. Don't want to stay in the crib anymore. He wants to be a part of the action.
DeAndre? What are you looking for?
So guys, while Mummy is doing the combing out of here, I'm doing kitchen work today. I'm cooking them some awesome dinner. When I forgot washing her hand, so I can lick off on the 10 finger. Tia, what kind of chicken should I cook today?
But you should know that. If you are cooking, you should know what you do.
One that's here is for the dress.
Alright, then I cook down chicken today. Easiest one, cook it down. Easiest one, cook it down. Dre? Let me some man a trouble though.
Babe, you will want to tell you now?
Eh? You want to tell me a joke?
Yes.
Let me
And
pause.
then nothing with joke, that's something serious.
Dre, leave it alone, Dre. Still we're recording now, guys. So get back to reality. No more. Dre, don't put name out. So Tia, like you have hairstyle now. Which part you go?
Bed.
With a hairstyle like this, you have to go somewhere, friend. People got to see it. Hello. You see why you stay in your crib though by yourself?
By yourself?
You can't hold in there?
Oh, I'm going to develop these things.
Well, you got a point. Come here, Jay. Jay. No. Picnic, take time out. So how much hours to go, by the way?
1.
Oh, you don't throw hot water pan it, no sure? That's all you do.
4 hours.
And let me see she boil a pan of hot water and throw pan it.
If you want to say it like that.
What the water do, babes? It cures the ends. What does it do?
Cure.
Seal the end
Oh, it's sealed. Just sealed.
and make the bread look silky and shiny.
Wow.
So when you tell people wrong information.
This one here wash me here. Look, shines like I wash it last night with body wash.
Then why you want it washed now?
Because today you're just in there.
Then the right here, but-
Jay? Mr. J, come here. Jay, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Jay,
Go on to cook.
Jay, come here. Some man here. Come here. Come here. Bro. This boy don't listen, you know. Come here. Come here. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. Hey. Come, bro. You give time out. Give me this. Oh, sorry.
Ain't that the-
Yeah, no, I'll tell you.
Oh man.
Sorry. Mr. Man, I go through this. Alright, so I'm gone, feed. baby here.